Kia ora whanau. My name is Adel. I'm an artist based in beautiful Turanganui Akiva here in Gisborne. Gives me a lot of pleasure that you and your family are also interested in supporting this kaupapa and join me and my family in creating a beach sculpture that will hopefully be meaningful both to you and the rest of your community. I often go to my local beach in Kaiti and I scan the changes that are happening in my environment. I look for different natural materials that are available on that beach, and it is a constant learning for me. In these works, I aim to encourage all to develop a greater understanding of local and global environmental issues through a personal investigation for the truth and close observation of nature around us. I believe that through united vision, action, and creativity, we can take steps to heal the earth as one human family. I came to New Zealand about 33 years ago as a refugee, and at that time, obviously, many of us became refugees due to political or civil unrest or religious persecution, like myself. Now we're having a new category of refugees, which they regard as climate refugees. And this is going to be impacting on us and those who live in islands in the Pacific. And so I wanted to dedicate these works to those fellow Pacific Islanders who their livelihood and their whenua is threatened by climate change. I look forward to seeing your posts, seeing your sculptures, and please do share it with the world, with New Zealand. I look forward to meeting some of you one day as well. All the very best, and thanks for joining us.